The girls are participating in a lot of hands-on activities, from respiratory therapy, where they're using swine lungs to look at how the lungs are working. Their hands-on architecture and interior design grits they're working on. The paramedics have been sharing their tools and doing some examples with the girls on how those tools are used. Some other examples are drones, so the girls are learning how to program and problem shoot with, as well as Lego robots called Mindstorms. They're building the robots out of the Legos and programming them to have kind of a robot war.
Oh!
Go Florida!
Oh, Spike's got behind Flarm!
Oh,
Spike's attacking now, but Flarm's doing the little dance.
I like doing STEM because I think it's fun, and I also like engineering and building and designing things. So I like the science part of it, and I also like to engineer, and I'm good at math, so that makes it fun.
It's our 6th annual STEM camp, and thanks to Micron and other community partners, we've been able to introduce these science concepts to over 1,200 girls in the Boise School District over these 6 years, and this year we have about 200 girls attending the camp today and yesterday.